Hey everyone, it's Chad, and today I'm in beautiful Stone Mountain Park just outside of Atlanta, Georgia. This is one of my absolute favorite places to go. There's a beautiful mountain right behind you, and I climb that sometimes as many as 4 times in a week. I love coming over here. I have not really spent much time in the picnic areas, but I thought this would be a great place to do this video. And the reason for that, a friend of mine, he's here on YouTube, his channel is Green Shorts DIY. He just lives down the road from me. And his name's Tom Mills, and he's done a Kickstarter on a camp stove called the Rocket King. And this is just a 5-piece setup that packs flat. Not only does it pack flat, but you can actually use a D-ring and carry it all at one time. It's kind of a cool design that he came up with. There's a little hole right here. I could just D-ring this all together. It also comes with a bag. Now this here happens to be a prototype. It's made out of cold rolled steel. His actual Kickstarter is for a stainless steel, and I've supported it. I think it's a great little stove. This is my first time actually putting one together. I've seen his in action, but I have not actually put one together. So let's put this together real quick, and then we're gonna take it over here to the grill area, and we're gonna fire this up. The reason I wanted to do it here is because I'm trying to demonstrate the fact that you can be pretty much anywhere. Just get some scrap, limbs, stuffed twigs that have fallen off the trees, start a fire, and in a very short time, boil some water. Now, what's a short time? I don't know. I've not used this stove. I've never tried to boil water on it, but I will time it, and I'll let you know at the end just how long that took. Hopefully I have a timer on this watch. I'm not sure, but we will figure out some way to figure out what the time was to boil water. So let's put this together real quick. It's just 5 pieces, as I said. This is gonna be the back, the sides, the front. So the front's got the opening on it, and try to do this as quickly as possible. There you go. So that's it. That's all together, and let's go over here and fire this baby up. All right, I collected all of that in about, I don't know, two or 3 minutes. And then I noticed this. It's probably all the wood I need right there. All right, I've collected up a little bird's nest here. I might get a few more things, but here's the fire starter. This is by Fatwood Fire Starters. Kind of a cool looking fire starter. I'm not gonna actually use this part of the fire starter. It comes with kind of like a practice one, and since I've never done this before, I obviously want to use my practice one. This is the scraper. You scrape off the wood. I don't know why I'm telling you all this. Let's just get started.
I've been going through changes, rough and dark at night. Though life rearranges, I'll be alright. I am strong again. I've got hope again. Maybe love has found me.
So, let's see if you look right here, there's a line, and I have it right to the 16-ounce mark. So let's get going.
You could be one of the good ones, baby. I'm hoping and I'm thinking could it be you.
Well, I'm not sure what is constituting a boil, but you're getting a pretty decent little boil going here. And we are at, we're at 7 minutes. I can't read that, can you? Right at 8 minutes. I'd say that's a solid boil. What do y'all think? All right. 9.5 minutes for definitely a solid boil. Somewhere between 8 and 9.5 minutes. Well, there you go. If you want a stainless steel version of this with a beautiful little pouch to carry it in, definitely check out the link below. And as always, have a great day.